Senator Raffy Tulfo plans to investigate the unused MRT-3 Dalian trains purchased for amounting 3.7 billion pesos due to compatibility issues. More from Catherine Landicho.
Senator Raffy Tulfo will reportedly schedule an investigation after a sideline adjournment to look into 48 express trains that are not being used by the Metro Rail Transit or MRT3 due to the unresolved incompatibility issues in the train system. Based on the chairperson of the Senate Committee on Public Service, those responsible for the mess should be held accountable. He made the statement after he inspected the controversial trains purchase in 2017 and gathering dust at MRT3 depot in North Avenue, Quezon City. According to Tulfo, the 48 Chinese-made Dalian trains costing 3.7 billion pesos are left unused and covered in dust when they were delivered in 2017. The senator also said that the Aquino administration was aware from the beginning that the specifications of Dalian wagons is incompatible and non-compliant with the MRT system in the country, but it still insists on continuing the contract and accepting its delivery. Meanwhile, some individuals were charged before the ombudsman because of the controversy in which Tulfo pointed out that the cases were dismissed. The senator added that if our government tries to use and operate the Dalian trains, the government will have to throw up another pile of money that will cost 2 billion pesos per year just for its maintenance. He also said that instead of spending a large amount of money for the maintenance of the broken trains, he just suggested that the Department of Transportation renegotiate the contract to return the trains and return the amount spent for it, as a Congress resumes sessions on July 22. This is Catherine Landicho for EuroTV News.